Welcome to AlgoFox Academy. Today we are going to discuss an interesting feature that Fyers has launched, and they call it a scalping tool. So just like you, I am super excited to explore this particular feature, and I am going to explore this feature on my own, discover what it has to offer and how it can improve my trading. So let's get started. This is my Fyers terminal. On this account, I have close to 1,79,000 rupees with me, and today is 27th of November, that is Bank Nifty expiry. So since Bank Nifty is also expiring today, it's a good day to scalp in Bank Nifty and hopefully we'll make some profits. Irrespective of whether we make profits or not, the entire agenda of this video is to educate you how you can use and leverage this scalping tool. So to go to the scalper terminal, there is an icon here just beside MTF as visit scalper terminal. I'll just click on it and it will show me as try now. I'll just click on it and it will redirect me to app.fyers.in/option/scalper terminal. So this is a very interesting terminal where I can see Nifty index price, and then on my left hand side I can see the call prices, and on my right hand side I can see the put prices. By default, it automatically picks ATM call as well as ATM puts. So right now, if I have to check what is the price of Nifty, I'll just hover at the top left and select Nifty. You can see the Nifty price currently is at 24192. So naturally the ATM call will be 24200 and ATM put will be 24200. Similarly, if I have to change the strikes, I can change the call strike. Maybe instead of 24200, I can go to 24250, 24300. The moment I change the strike of the call by clicking on this strike C on my top left, the corresponding charts will automatically change. Similarly, if I want to change the strikes of the put, I can go to the strike PE on the top right of this panel and I can choose the strikes. I can go to 24250, 24300, so forth and so on. Now, instead of Nifty, if I want Bank Nifty, I can select Bank Nifty here. I will be able to see the Bank Nifty price, and here as well, I can select Bank Nifty. I'll just select Bank Nifty, and now you can see I have Bank Nifty spot chart in the middle. On the left side, I have Bank Nifty ATM call by default, and on my right side, I have ATM put by default. Now, to trade in these calls or puts, I have these beautiful buttons of buy and sell both on my left side as well as on my right side. On the left side, if I do any activity, it will trigger the trade in call, and on my right side, if I do any activity, it will trigger the trade in the put. Now, let us say Bank Nifty is at 52,080. If I want to do a long straddle, that means if I want to buy ATM call and ATM put, I can simply click on buy. The moment I click on buy, on my right side, a beautiful pop-up of this window will open up where I can select the expiry, I can select the price, and I can see the Greeks, as well as I can decide the quantity. For now, I would just want to trade in 15 quantity, that is one lot, and I want to place market order. It also shows me margin required, the charges, and the available balance. Now, if I click on buy, it will give me a warning that market orders are a little risky. We might have some slippages. If I proceed, the order gets executed. Similarly, if I press a buy and do the same drill on the put side, then a put trade will also be triggered. At the bottom, I have a position window, orders window, and trades window. So I have two positions, one for call, one for put, and I can see the combined cumulative P&L of 63 or 70 rupees going in. I can even check the positions just by taking it up a little bit and seeing what profits I'm getting. So I'm getting profits in puts right now. I'm getting a profit of close to 170, 180 rupees. And if I want to exit, I can click on sell and do the same drill again. And I think the put will exit. So we have booked a profit of 107. Good tool for scalping. You can just click on buy and sell and play around with it. Similarly, right now I'm having some losses in call, but we will just wait for some more time. I'm just breaking all the rules and trading like a simple human just to show you how exactly these things work. Now, apart from buy and sell, I also see an interesting feature called as SL, stop loss. Now, to set the stop loss, since my position is buy, I'm on the long side. If I want to keep the stop loss, I have to select SL on the sell side. A lot of retail traders do this mistake. They buy, and to keep a stop loss, they select this SL button itself. This SL button will not be the stop loss if you have initiated a buy position. Since my side is buy, that means the trade is buy, to keep a stop loss, I have to select the SL on the sell side. So right now the price is 11109 and I'm getting some 10 odd rupees profits. I'll just keep a stop loss here. Let us say I want to keep a stop loss of 105 and I want to trigger when the price reaches maybe 105.1, right? And okay, the price has now moved to 106, but I'll just keep it as like this. And okay, the order got executed. The moment it came to 105, the order got executed. I still have one more lot left with me. Maybe let us say I want to keep a stop loss of 100 for this particular lot. So right now the price is 105. Let me keep a stop loss of 100 and let me keep it as 100.1 and keep the stop loss. Now my stop loss is also set to 100. If the price, this LTP, falls down to 100, the trade will be automatically squared off. So this is a very interesting utility for scalper. Now if you have someone who does not want multiple confirmations while trading, then there is a beautiful option called as a quick trade. Now what happens in normal mode of trading is that when I click on buy, a pop-up window will pop up here where again I have to press on the buy. So effectively there are two clicks in normal method. First click is when I press on buy here, and then there's a click number 2 when I'll actually place a buy order here. Now if I want to do the buying just in a single click, I don't want any multiple confirmation because I know what I'm doing. In that case, I can enable this quick trade. The moment I enable this quick trade, you will see the buy and sell both having this quick trade icon button. I'll select some other strike just for the reference. Let us say I will select 52,200 strike this time. And now if I click on this buy button, the trade will automatically be triggered. You need not do multiple confirmations. So let me click on this buy and you see the order is executed. If I click on sell, the order is squared off. As simple as that. It's so fast. It basically reduces your slippages and it brings more discipline in you. Right now, let us say I'm getting 38 rupees profit in this particular strike, right? So let us say I'll keep this 52,100 call here. And if I click on sell here, it's a quick trade. The trade gets executed. Beautiful tool. I really like the way it is performing. I got one more order executed. This is basically the stop loss that I had triggered. The stop loss now got executed. I exited manually something and now the stop loss is getting executed, but this is also giving me profit. And now if I want to exit this, I'll just simply click on buy and that's all. It is also exited. So this way I can manage my buy, sell of call, puts. The best part is not only I can do this for index, I can also do for stock options. Apart from that, I can also see the entire option chain and their pricing on this beautiful right window here. So right now the price is 52,060. So we can see the ATM call running at 96 rupees, ATM put running at 141 rupees. And here I have the spot chart as well. If I feel the market is going to be bearish and if I want to be a put buyer, I just have to simply click on this buy. The moment I click on this buy, the trade is open. I'm getting some profits, and if I'm satisfied with this profit, the 18 rupees or 30 rupees profit or whatever it is coming, I can simply click on sell and square off, right? So right now the loss is maybe 32 rupees or 48 rupees. And if I'm satisfied with the loss, I can simply click on sell and it will exit automatically. So a beautiful utility where I can select the strikes dynamically on the put side, on the call side. I can see the ATM calls, ATM puts, and the entire option chain of call and put premiums. Not only that, I can even see Greeks by seeing the delta, theta, gamma and vega values by hovering around. And I can also see the straddle charts, triangle charts, and all of that. For example, right now the market is at 52,074. 52,100 straddle, that is call and put combined, is running at 234. 52,000 straddle, call and put combined, is running at 255. So I can even check their premiums, select them, and if I, let us say, select this 52,100, if I click on this, both the strikes 52,100 call and 100 put will be available on this scalping terminal. If I select 52,000, you will see both calls and puts are selected here. So let us say if I am a scalper who wants to receive more premium than I am giving, so I can go to 52,100, quick buy call, quick buy put, and then I can go to maybe 52,000 and maybe sell a call and sell a put. So this way now I am have 4 different legs, 2 of option buying, 2 of option selling. Combined premium received is 280, combined premium paid is 230 something, and I can even play around on these individual legs and exit them, and also shift the straddles, triangles. I can roll the straddles, I can roll the triangles, and I can do multiple combinations. Apart from straddle, we also have some custom setups where I can select custom strikes and make their combined premiums, and I can also place trades in them. And within no time, you're seeing that I've already placed 16 trades in this particular system, and everything went just so seamlessly. One more interesting feature that it has is this exit bank nifty. Let me just see what happens when I click on exit bank nifty and confirm. It is going to square off all the open positions of bank nifty in a single click, and you will see all the positions are gone. So if I want to square off everything in a single click, I think it's a beautiful utility where I can exit everything. Then there is cancel bank nifty. This perhaps will cancel all my pending orders. And there is a setting icon. Let me explore what exactly it has to offer me. If I go to settings, okay, so I can set quick trade settings. I can select, when I press on this buy button, how many lots should it place. Should it place 10 lots by default? Should it place 2 lots by default? Should it place 1 lot by default? Should it place a limit order? Should it place a market order? Should it give me a warning? All of these things I can define here. And it also has keyboard shortcuts. Shift plus up arrow key buys call. Shift plus left arrow key sells the call. Shift plus down arrow key buys the put, and shift plus right arrow key sells the put. For those who love trading via keyboard, this also gives them a very good feel of gamification of this entire trading drill. So this is it about scalping terminal. Overall, it's a beautiful utility. I've seen similar platforms in the market provided by different vendors who roughly charge 2,000 to 3,000 rupees a month. But whereas when the entire same terminal is provided by a broker, you're effectively saving 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, especially you're a scalper per month. That's a good saving and a beautiful utility by Fyers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video.